Alright guys, you guys can see here I'm trying to do a long range with this Anafi, Parrot Anafi drone, and all I wanted to do is go to that pier, and apparently that's where I'm going at. And then you guys can see I still have a decent signal. After that, right here you can see it's like the Wi-Fi start glitching, and I mean I have no video feed on my transmitter, and then you can see here is just it's crazy, like I don't even know. I mean, my DJI Spark can actually make it all the way out there to the pier and back, and also with my Mavic Air. So this guy here, I'm not even not even close halfway. Yeah, maybe a halfway here, but it just seems like it just want to go ahead and lost signal, and basically had to return back to home. Anyways, just letting you know here. I don't know what's wrong with this Parrot app that they're having, but I'm gonna show it to you also. That like once right here, once it return it back. I mean, right now in my transmitter, I just don't have no live feed anymore, and everything is just glitch. And the app, I'm trying to get back to the app, trying to see where's the Anafi is at, and it just, my phone is just blank. So it's crazy, and all I'm thinking about it is just press that return to home button. But see, the good thing about it is it's returned back to me, but experiencing it right now, I don't know what Parrot is gonna do, but they need to fix this because it's you can see it right now, and it just, you can see it here, it's just dead. You see that right there? It's crazy. So just letting you guys know. So good thing return back to home to me, but if you guys have these difficulties, have this issue, I don't know if a firmware update can fix this, but man, it needs to get fixed. But anyway, look at in my link below. I'm actually I'm putting up my Mavic Air and also my DJI Spark doing long range, and you can see those two drones successful, did its job. But this Anafi here just couldn't make it all the way up there and take some zoom photos or videos, Well, anyway, again, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I got more video to come. So I just want to go ahead and address this problem to you guys. If you have any issue with your Anafi drones or anything else, or if you're thinking about buying this new Parrot Anafi, do more research about it, because right now it's just the range is very, I think the ranges just need to be fixed. I don't know if it's a Wi-Fi issue they're having or the app, but it's just not, I don't know. I would not even recommend it, be honest with you. So if you're gonna fly this